Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a different surprise gift each day in the lead up to Christmas from either J of J Dolls UK, Marna of Dolls Rescued, or Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their channels today too, as they'll also be opening a surprise gift. Their links are in the description. Hi there, today is day 21 of our Dolly Advent collaboration. So let's have a look at what surprise gift we'll be opening today. We're nearly to the end of our collaboration, so only a few things left. I'm going to go with this, which is from J of J Dolls UK. Let's have a look inside. Okay, ooh. We have got, how cute. So we have a lovely hair bauble. It's got like rabbit ears, like a bow tied on top, and it's lovely soft fabric with little gold dots all over. Super, super cute. Oh, I love that. I might wear it myself. Well, thank you so much, Jay, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and let me know what you thought of today's lovely surprise gift. And take care. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.